Yo, what's going on? Everyone in the XRP community, hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today. As usual, something I want to go ahead and talk about, guys, because recently, despite the bullish sentiment and the bullish price action and the bullish news, we've experienced a decent amount of a retracement. Now, what happened was Bitcoin ended up going over 9,000, wicked right down to like 8,300 or something like that, and then now this is starting to go down even lower into like the high 7K range, but I believe Bitcoin is now at like the 7,700 to 7,800 mark, so it didn't drop down too much. But guys, I really, this is a point I'm going to be emphasizing for the rest of the existence of this channel. That's one thing you guys really need to understand about cryptocurrency. When you see the market in red like you do today, the thing you got to understand is that it's not going down because Ripple did something wrong, or XRP is, getting 51% attacked, or even Bitcoin's having something going wrong with the network. There's really, again, Bitcoin, crap code, crap technology, but good for the time, but compared to what we've innovated on top of now, Bitcoin is honestly irrelevant, in my opinion, but we'll keep that aside for another discussion. But guys, is that this market, it goes down irrationally, and the reason why we ended up recently going down was because of a whale liquidating about 25,000 Bitcoin for $215 million, ended up selling that Bitcoin all the way down and rebuying back his whole bulk load at a $200 million valuation. So he essentially, by that one sell order, manipulating the market down and picking it back up at lower prices, he essentially got to pocket $15 million, but he ended up actually paying a less amount for his Bitcoin. So the difference in that was actually $15 million. And I imagine he probably had buddies that had short contracts all over BitMEX at the exact time that happened. Guys, this market is incredibly manipulated. That's why we need the regulations to step into space. Again, getting a little bit sidetracked from the discussion, but I really want to emphasize the point that, guys, there's people with a lot of money executing large sell orders, and sometimes they're doing it for their own benefit. Because that guy that sold, or whoever this person was, or this group of people that liquidated 215 million Bitcoin, or $215 million worth of Bitcoin on the exchange, they know what they're doing. Do you think he's really wanting to cash out of the crypto space? No, he just knows that he's got big enough bags to shake the whole market, buy back in a lower price, and literally make about $15 million cash while keeping the exact same amount of Bitcoin. Again, it's truly brilliant, but again, we do get the short side of this, and this kind of sucks for us newer, for these newer investors, because it's kind of intimidating. You come into the market all of a sudden and we're just down 10, 12% in one day. But you guys need to understand, deep retracements are what caused this market to go so parabolic. This market goes so down in the other direction so fast, it can go up twice as fast. And guys, one point I really want to emphasize, because again, as we are XRP investors, let's face it, XRP is not leading the market. The reason why XRP dropped today is not because of anything to do with XRP. It's just because of Bitcoin and its dominance over the crypto space. So really, guys, whenever a large whale is going to sell a lot of Bitcoin, all of their alts are going to drop. And this does bring a lot of fear into the market. But you got to understand, this is the time when you make the most money. Is when other people are fearful, you got to be greedy. And when other people are greedy, you got to be fearful. That's just the infamous quote by Warren Buffett. And it's really, at the end of the day, it's a very true statement, guys. And yeah, we're gonna see drops in the market all the time. But one thing I do want to let you guys know, fun fact, because I love bringing up things and activities and scenarios that occurred prior to the 2017 bull runs, because 2017 bull run. But I feel like we can draw a lot of parallels between now and that point in time. And one of them was actually being the fact that Bitcoin in November of 2017 went over 8,000, or got close to 8,000, can't remember exactly, but it got to that level, and then it tanked in like the same week, I'm pretty sure, right down to 5,500. And then what happened the next month after that? It moonshots to 20K. So keep in mind, guys, before the rocket takes off for the moon, we are going to have deep liquidations. Look at every single bull market in history. You're going to see deep liquidations before every single parabolic move, guys. It happens. The whales manipulate this market. Guys, there's a lot of people and a lot of entities out there that have control over this market. Now, again, people in the stream today were saying, like, oh, what the heck, whales just want to keep pushing us down. But it's like, guys, whales, yeah, sure, they enjoy really crashing the market and picking up good XRP. But you know what they also like? Manipulating the market up, and they love doing that just as equally as pushing it down. Guys, it's literally just a game of chess. You gotta, whatever you see, the key with cryptocurrency really is whatever you first see, don't instantly emotionally react to it. Think logically, think strategically, think long term, and really analyze what has happened in the past when we've had similar drops like this. In November 2018, look it up. Bitcoin got close to 8,000 or may have crossed it, something like that. But again, it dropped all the way down into 5,500, and everyone was saying, "Oh, bull market over. Oh yeah, this is done. Yep, it's bear market now." And guess what happened? We went parabolic. And keep in mind, XRP on the golden cross, which is actually now turning into a double golden cross, which I'm hearing on Twitter. But yeah. A couple days after that previous golden cross, what did we have? We had a day where XRP lost 20% in value. Yeah, that's very discouraging, but literally 2 days later, it goes parabolic to $1. So guys, when you see these dumps, don't freak out. This is completely normal. This is, as stupid as it sounds, retracements are completely normal, and they are necessary. And on the daily chart, all we're doing right now is forming a higher low and going right back up to resistance, guys. So again, stay strong. This is the crypto market. Yeah, it's not easy becoming a millionaire in any sort of industry that you're trying to get riches upon riches of wealth. I mean, you're gonna face challenges. There's no easy one path to success, guys. There's gonna be bumps. There's gonna be hurdles. There's gonna be detours along the way, but we're eventually gonna get there. And again, guys, if you're scared right now and you're considering actually selling any of your cryptocurrency or are actually already starting to do so, that's what the whales exactly want you. That's exactly what they want you to do. Because guys, listen to this. Quick story. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I buy XRP at 20 cents. Next week drops down to 12. Very discouraging. Loses almost 50% of valuation. I go, wow, that money I just put in, I just lost half of that. Wow, this kind of sucks. I'm considering selling. I go into the XRP chat. These guys talk me through it. I stay hodling, and later in the next few weeks, we end up seeing a rise all the way up to like 40, 42, 45 something cents. So guys, this market's a game of chess. Don't let the whales fool you. Do not initially emotionally react to anything in this market, because at this point, with how immature the crypto space really is, it's really just a game. It's just a game at the end of the day. That's all it is. It's the same cycle. Newbies come in, newbies sell off. Smart people keep holding, and we just ride along to the next bull run, guys. So again, do not get shaken out. That's what the whales want you to do. They want you to sell. They want you to give them that dirt cheap XRP. That's what they want you to do, guys. So keep in mind, do not fear these dumps. And again, last thing, the claim, oh man, I'm down like XX amount of money today. You don't lose till you sell. You still got the same number of the asset. You do not lose until you actually liquidate your currency. Just because, like, for example, my MoneyGram is down like 40% right now or something. I know it really sucks, but I mean, at the end of the day, I still got the same amount of shares of MoneyGram. I haven't sold my stock. I still have my position. So hopefully in the future, MoneyGram ends up leveraging XRP and making that stock skyrocket again. So guys, again, I repeat, do not be scared. Do not be scared of drops in this market. Healthy retracements are necessary for the parabolic upside. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in the video today. I do hope you guys enjoyed the outside video. I know you didn't have the awesome, clear radio DJ kind of mic today, but again, I do love making the content outside. So make sure, do smash the likes, do smash subscribe, check the links in the description. If you would like to support the channel, make sure do join the Discord. And make sure do check below the description if you do want to check out some of that new merch, and hit the post notifications so you never miss a video stream. And make sure, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you guys scared? Are you still hodling? Let me know what your guys' situation is. I'll be sure to chat with you guys in the comments below. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. I'll see you guys in the next one.